In this video, I'm talking about Internet of Things, a brief introduction. IoT is creating a new world, connecting a physical world to the Internet by sensors. It can be any device with any kind of sensors with the ability to collect and transfer data over a network. Definition of IoT. Internet of Things is the network of physical objects or things embedded with electronic software sensor connectivity which enables these objects to collect and exchange data. It is a concept that connects all the devices to the internet and let them communicate with each other over the internet. IoT is a giant network of connected devices, all of which gather and share data about how they are used and the environments in which they are operated. By doing so, each of your devices will be learning from the experience of other devices as humans do. IoT is trying to expand the interdependence in human, that is, interact, contribute and collaborate to things. For example, refrigerator sensor and air conditioner gather the data regarding the outside temperature and accordingly adjust its temperature. A room temperature sensor always gather the data and send to the network, which is then used by sensors to adjust their temperatures. Life cycle of IoT has 4 stages: collect, communicate, analyze, act. In the first stage, devices and sensors are collecting data at your home, at your office, everywhere. Communication stage, sending data and events through networks to some destinations. It may be a cloud platform, private data center or home network. Analysis stage, creating information from the data like visualizing data, building reports, filtering data. In the last stage, taking action based on the information and data. Sending notification in the form of text, SMS, email and communicate with another machine. Machine to machine communication, that is M2M. Let's move to the benefits of IoT. IoT allows devices to be controlled remotely across the internet. Thus, it can create opportunities to directly connect and integrate the physical world to the computer system using sensors and internet. Major benefits are improved customer engagement. IoT improves customer experience by automating the action. For example, if there is any issue in the car, it will be automatically detected by the sensor. Technical optimization says IoT helped a lot in improving technologies and making them better. The manufacturer can collect data from different car sensors and analyze them to improve their design and make them much more efficient. Reduced waste. IoT provides real-time information leading to effective decision making and management of resources. For example, if a manufacturer finds fault in multiple engines, he can track the manufacturing plant of those engines and can rectify the issue with manufacturing belt. The last topic is applications of IoT. Applications are broad. The most familiar IoT application that's surrounding us is our mobile phones, monitoring our health, tracking our path. You can use IoT on personal home automation system. Example, smart plug. Smart plug is the most useful device which connected home devices in the switch. Enterprise, example, Nest smart thermostat. Nest automatically learns our family routines and adjusts the temperature based on our activities to make our home more efficient. Utilities like smart metering, water monitoring system is the most useful applications in the various utility area. Remote health monitoring, it can be used for patients who can't go to hospitals, letting them get heart rate, ECG, respiratory rate, skin temperature, and it records readings remotely. Transportation, electronic toll collection system is the most useful example in this area. There are much more applications of IoT are there, like infrastructure management, energy management, media, environmental monitoring. One interesting application is a sensor implanted in the ears of cow, and this allows farmers to monitor health, track their movement. It also helps to increase the supply of milk.